Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. Win's Life here. In front of you guys, another dish. And today, I am craving for chicken wings. And so, for today's video, I am going to make chicken wings. And what kind of dish it is? I will call this dish honey glazed chicken wings. So of course we have the chicken wings and the honey because it's honey glazed chicken wings. So we have honey, that is 3 tablespoons, but I'm not sure if I'm going to put all 3 because I am adding a little bit of brown sugar to taste. And then of course our important ginisa mix, olive oil, salt and pepper, and I have this is also one of my favorite, the liquid seasoning, nor liquid seasoning. These two, the nor liquid seasoning and ginasa mix, are my favorite. And onion powder, garlic powder, and again this nor liquid seasoning. It's like soy sauce, guys, but tastes better. And water to boil the chicken until it's cooked and tender. And then for my garnish, I'm going to put toasted sesame seed and green onion. It will be a quick dish, guys, because I am craving for it like right now. So let's start cooking. So we have olive oil. Then we're going to put our chicken right away. Put our ginisa mix. Salt, pepper, lots of pepper, now we're putting the nor liquid seasoning. Probably a tablespoon or so. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And it smells so good. Then we are going to put our honey. So there's a little bit left over here in the bowl. So I guess that's not all 3 tablespoons, maybe 2 tablespoons. And we're going to put our water. I'm going to put the brown sugar when the chicken is a little tender already. And I'm just going to cover this and let it boil and let the chicken wings to cook. And I am now adding our brown sugar. I added a little bit more black pepper, but the rest of the ingredients are perfect. So I'm just going to cook this again, and I will reduce the broth until it's really dry. Not really dry, like evaporate. The broth will evaporate. See how the broth, guys, it is now getting ready to be in a glazed stage. like my word? Glazed stage. So that's how I want when it's getting like that. Now we are going to put our sesame seed, roasted sesame seed, so it will stick to the chicken. Shout out to my best friend for giving me all of this sesame seed. That looks so yummy, or what? And it is done. Of course, we need to decorate it some more. I'm laughing at Chris. He just came home from, I don't know where he came from. And he's got this look on his face, look like he's salivating. And green onions. And here it is, guys. Can you smell it? Look how beautiful it looks. And I cannot eat it now because it is very hot. Let us try it. Ow. It's hot, guys. But anyways, I guess there's no tasting portion this time. Look how delicious it looks. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm sure I can eat this whole thing. I'll save one for Chris. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys again on our next cooking video. We're gonna enjoy this. No, I should say I'm gonna enjoy this. Chris will get the green onions. Bye for now.